In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block your Outlook calendar efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're stepping away for some time off or just need uninterrupted work time, setting your Outlook calendar status to busy or out of office is a simple yet effective way to ensure your availability is clearly communicated. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll first need to access your Outlook account. Open a web browser and head to the Outlook login page. If you're unfamiliar with how to find it, a quick search for Outlook login should direct you to the right place. Once you're on the page, locate the sign in button. This button is typically found towards the top right corner of the screen. Click it to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email. This is the email address associated with your Outlook account, so make sure you have that handy. After typing in your email, you'll find a next button. This button helps to move the process along, so go ahead and click next. After this, you'll need to provide your password. It's important to enter it carefully to avoid any errors. If you find yourself stuck here because you've forgotten your password, there are options to recover it, but assuming all is well, simply input your password into the designated area. Then hit sign in once more to advance to the next step. If prompted, you'll see an option asking if you'd like to stay signed in. Selecting yes can be convenient, especially if you're on a trusted device, as this will reduce the redundancy of constantly needing to log in. Keep in mind though that on shared or public devices, it's safer to decline this option, so only proceed with yes if you're confident in the security of your environment. With these steps completed, you should now be in your main Outlook interface. From there, navigate over to your mailbox. While it may seem odd to head to your mail first, it's simply the starting point from which we're going to access the calendar. Click on the mail link and you'll soon find yourself in your inbox section. Now for the next part of our mission, switching to the calendar view, you'll find this within Outlook as well, typically grouped with other applications like People, To Do, and the premium OneNote integrations if you're using the full Office suite. Once you spot the calendar icon, give it a click to switch over. Once you're viewing your calendar, look for the option to create a new event. This may look like a plus sign or a button labeled New Event, depending on the latest updates from Microsoft. Click on that and it will open a form for scheduling a new event. Here's where we get to the crux of setting your status. Within the new event template, there's a drop-down menu that controls your availability status. It typically defaults to free, implying you're available. Change this setting to either busy or out of office based on your specific needs. Busy is ideal for periods when you're working and can't be disturbed, while out of office is great for holidays or longer breaks when responses aren't expected. Finally, review any additional details you'd like to add to the event, such as a title or specific timing. Once you're satisfied with everything, locate the Save button. Press it to confirm all the changes you've made. This step ensures that your calendar reflects your current status accurately. Your Outlook calendar is now updated, indicating to others when you're unavailable. This simple action can drastically improve your workflow by reducing interruptions, and it keeps others in the loop regarding your current availability, whether it's for protecting your focused work sessions or preserving your needed recovery time during vacations. Taking a few moments to block your calendar is worth the effort. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to block your Outlook calendar. I hope this guide has been straightforward and helpful for managing your schedule more effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult Microsoft's customer support for more detailed troubleshooting. Remember, effective time management is a cornerstone of productivity, so leveraging tools like Outlook to their fullest can truly make a difference. Until next time, take care and stay organized.